Hello, hello, guys. Welcome back. Olha, nós já vimos os nossos planetas todos separadinhos, já aprendemos um a cada, um por um. Agora, nós vamos ver o sistema solar. Olha, os planetas alinhados no... What is this? This is the sky. Perfect. Is this the sky? Yes, it is. What is it? It's the sky. All right. Is it a planet? No, it isn't. What is it? It's the sky. Perfect. E o que é essa coisinha branca que, ó, o professor sempre erra também. Eu esqueci de falar dessas coisinhas brancas naquele primeiro quadro que a gente falou do sky. Então, essas coisinhas brancas são clouds. Tá? Repete. Clouds. Again, clouds. All right. Tirando o S, fica cloud. One cloud, right? Aqui tem várias, né? There are many clouds in the sky. How many clouds are there in the sky? There are many clouds in the sky. All right. Are there many clouds in the sky? Yes, there are. Perfect. What is there in the sky? Ó, eu tô perguntando no singular porque eu não sei o que é. O que é que tem? O que é que tem, né? O que existe no céu? What is there in the sky? And the answer is there are many clouds in the sky. Perfect. But not only clouds, right? There are also many planets in the sky, right? Are there planets in the sky? Yes, there are. In general, no geral, there are many stars in the sky. Are there many stars in the sky? Yes, there are. What else is there in the sky? There are also clouds and planets in the sky, right? Além de stars, clouds and planets. Are there clouds, stars, and planets in the sky? Yes, there are. What is there in the sky? Perfect. There are many clouds, stars, and planets in the sky. Perfect. Então, olha só. Com eles todos alinhados aqui, eles formam o nosso solar system. Solar system. Solar, que vem de sun, não é? É o sistema solar. Então vamos lá, repeat. The solar system. Again, the solar system. What is this? This is the solar system. Is this the solar system? Yes, it is. Is this one planet? No, it isn't. What is this? This is the solar system. Muito bem, é o sistema solar, é o grupo todo, right? Perfect. E essas pontinhas, what are these little things? These little white things, what are they? They are stars. Perfect. Não é quando a gente olha para o céu, a gente vê aquele monte de pontinho, a gente não identifica planeta. Para nós, é tudo star, certo? Alright? Perfect. Então, vamos lá. What planet is this? This is Saturn. Perfect. What planet is this? This is Jupiter. Perfect. What planet is this? This is Venus. Perfect. What planet is this? This is not a planet. This is not a planet. This is satélite. This is a satellite. Satellite. Vamos lá. Repeat. Satellite. Ó, o primeiro T, lembra que pode ter o som de R, né? Satellite. Vamos lá, repeat, satellite. Se quiser falar com o som de T, não tem problema, satellite. Mas não se fala, alright? Fala mais rápido, satellite. Is this a satellite? Is this a planet? No, it isn't. What is this? This is a satellite. Perfect. How many satellites are there in this sky? This, tá? No oficial, muito mais. How many satellites are there in this sky? There are 2 satellites in this sky. Palavra comum, plural comum. S. Satellites. All right? Vamos lá. Repeat. Satellites. Perfect. How many satellites are there in this sky? There are 2 satellites in this sky. Perfect. Are there 10 satellites in this sky? No, there aren't. Are there 5 satellites in this sky? Are there 2 satellites in this sky? How many satellites are there in this sky? There are 2 satellites in this sky. Perfect, perfect. Agora, olha só. What planet is this? This is Mercury. Perfect. What planet is this? This is not a planet. This is the sun. Perfect. Is this the sun? Yes, it is. Is this a planet? No, it isn't. What is this? This is the sun. What is this? This is Mercury. Perfect. Olha só a distância. Distância de Mercury para o sun. From Mercury to the sun. From Mercury. Lembra de from to. From de para. From Mercury to the sun. How far is it? How far is it from Mercury to the sun? Não é how far, quão longe. How far is it from Mercury to the sun? It's not far. It's very close. Lembrando que close é o contrário de far, certo? Far, close. Far, close. Perto, right? Então, how far is Mercury from the sun? Olha que a preposição é dupla. Far from. É longe de. Far from. How far is Mercury from the sun? Mercury is not far from the sun. Perfect. Vamos de novo. How far? Antes, repete a pergunta. How far is Mercury from the sun? Again. All right. Quão longe é o Mercury do Sol, né? How far is Mercury from the sun? Again. And the answer is Mercury is not far from the sun. Mercury is not far from the sun. How far is Venus from the sun? Venus is not far from the sun. How far is Earth from the sun? Earth is not far from the sun. How far is Pluto from the sun? Pluto is very far from the sun. Very far from the sun. Perfect. De novo, how far is Pluto from the sun? All right. How far is Neptune from the sun? Neptune is very far from the sun. Perfect. How far is Uranus from the sun? Uranus is very far from the sun. Perfect. How far is Mercury from the sun? Mercury is not far from the sun. Então, se Mercury is not far from the sun, o oposto, se não é distante, é próximo. O próximo como é que é? Lembrando, Mercury is very close. Close, olha aqui. Estão lembrados, né? Close. Só que olha a preposição. A preposição é close to. É próximo de. E longe de. Só que em português é o mesmo de, em inglês não. Alright? Então vamos lá. Close to. É só gravar que a preposição, nesse caso, a gente usa dupla. Close to é próximo de. Alright? Então, is Mercury close to the sun? Yes, it is. How close is Mercury to the sun? Repeat the question. How close is Mercury to the sun? Again, how close is Mercury to the sun? All right, and the answer is, how close is Mercury to the sun? Mercury is very close to the sun. All right. How close is Mercury to the sun? Mercury is very close to the sun. Is Mercury close to the sun? Yes, it is. Is Mercury very close to the sun? Yes, it is. Is Pluto close to the sun? No, it isn't. How far is Pluto from the sun? Pluto is very far from the sun. Perfect. Is Neptune also very far from the sun? Yes, it is. Is Venus far from the sun or close to it? Venus is close to it. Viu o it substituindo sun? Para não repetir, mas você pode falar também. Venus is close to the sun. All right? Perfect. Is this satellite far from the sun? Yes, it is a little bit far from the sun. Olha, já aprendemos a little bit. Ou então a little far from the sun. Is this satellite close to Saturn or far from Saturn? Perfect. This satellite is close to Saturn. How far is this satellite from Mercury? This satellite is very far from Mercury and from the sun. How far is this satellite from the sun? This satellite is also very far from the sun. Ou então, coloca o to nessa resposta, em vez do also. This satellite is very far from the sun, too. Perfect. Very good. Very good. Which planet is closer? Olha, lembrando da comparação de superioridade, lembra? Closer. Which planet is closer to the sun? Venus or Mercury? Mercury is closer to the sun. Perfect. Which planet is farther from the sun? Aqui a escrita muda um pouco, né? O farther. Altera um pouquinho. Depois a gente vai ver a escrita do superioridade, porque aqui tem o mais, né? O mais de tudo, mas vamos praticar um pouquinho. Which planet is further from the sun? Mercury or Earth? Earth is farther from the sun. Perfect. Which planet is closer to the sun? Venus or Mercury? Mercury is closer to the sun. All right. Closer than Venus, right? Lembra? Closer than, more beautiful than. Então, Mercury is closer to the sun than Venus. All right, perfect. Which planet is the closest? Lembrando do superlativo, o mais distante. Which planet is the closest to the sun? Olha aqui, ó. Closest to the sun. Which planet is closest? Which planet is the closest to the sun? Mercury is the closest to the sun, right? Mercury is. Which planet is the farthest? Oh, farthest from the sun. O mais distante. Which planet is the farthest from the sun? Pluto is the farthest from the sun. Perfect. Is Pluto the farthest from the sun or the closest to the sun? Pluto is the farthest from the sun. All right. And Mercury. Is Mercury the closest to the sun or the farthest from the sun? Mercury is the closest to the sun. Perfect. Perfect. É muito detalhe, certo? Muito vocabulário que a gente vai tendo que praticar. É assim mesmo. É assim mesmo. Não esquenta a cabeça, não se preocupa em ter que gravar tudo de uma vez, é ir aprendendo. Aos poucos a gente vai repetindo e vai gravando. Alright? Então, não esquenta. É interessante a gente conhecer os planetas, porque a gente vai falar deles na vida, no dia a dia, fala dos planetas, e agora se falando tanto em viagens para outros planetas, de repente descobrem vida inteligente, de corpo corpo igual ao nosso, por aí quem sabe, não é? Vamos praticando que a gente vai usar o vocabulário para conversar sobre o dia a dia. Alright? Então dá uma caprichada aí e depois volta para a gente continuar. See you later, guys!